Petra the parrot is no feather-brain.The chatty African grey has apparently decided it does not need a human to complete simple tasks around the house. In a hilarious video clip posted online, the parrot is heard ordering its owner's voice-activated virtual assistant, Alexa, to flip on the living room lights and the gadget complies. Petra says, "Alexa, all lights on." The successful bird then nods its head in apparent satisfaction before engaging in small talk with Alexa. Clearly imitating its owner, it repeats phrases including "Do you want fresh water? What do you want?" and "Say you're sorry." The pet bird then laughs and whistles as it sits on its perch. It is unclear where the footage was taken, but African greys are expert mimics and Petra appears to be speaking in an American accent. The breed, which lives for an average of 50 to 60 years, is a popular choice of pet bird in the UK and US. They are known for their incredible speaking ability and are capable of memorizing hundreds of words and phrases. Enthusiasts say African greys combine the intelligence of a 5-year-old child with the temperament of a 2-year-old.